So I had to transfer some data from my camera, but I'm gonna use my phone real quick. This is what I have so far. I got all the shells and the studs out, the brackets out. And then I filled them, and I'm waiting for them to completely dry before I sand them. I might do another layer of filler. After that, I'm gonna let them dry again and sand them down. And tomorrow I will be painting. Was given. Now I just need to paint down my layer. Yeah, so I don't need to do a base coat because the color is a different undertone and darker than this. The kids are going crazy, they're getting wild. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna let it dry, and tomorrow, no, I'm gonna let it dry. Later today I'm gonna paint. What the fuck is that? I'm gonna do the first layer, let that dry. If it dries in time, I'll do the decoration, design, or whatever you want to call it. And I'll put that up here in the wall blush inspired design. But wall blush costs too much for my pockets, and that's a pretty penny I'm not willing to spend on this DIY. Okay. So I'm using Glidden Premium interior paint and flat. My walls are already flat and they have texture to it, so I don't want to mess up the textures, different textures and all that. I don't want to do all that. So the color I'm using is Rococo Beige. Because this can is already open. Okay, so full transparency moment right now. This is me absolutely fed up. I'm so irritated because my kids just kept coming to me asking me for stuff. One pooped, and it's just so frustrating when you're trying to do a DIY project. I'm so over it. But nonetheless, sometimes you just gotta suck it up, take a breath, and get right back, get your head back into the project and just get her done. My mind is literally all over the place. People keep freaking talking to me. My kids keep asking me for stuff. My kids keep shitting. My kids keep down. This is the reality of trying to do husband's running around. He has work, he has appointments, and I'm home trying to get things done, okay? I forgot to freaking tape my ceiling down. I really have all these supplies to do this project because I don't. That's why it's a DIY haul. I'm trying to save money. Oh, stop it. I'm trying to save money. Wow, that's crazy. That's really crazy. Okay, this is I don't know what day, but I went ahead and mapped out some of the little designs that I'm doing on here, the abstract art. I made my archway to my liking, and that's gonna go all the way down there. And then I made this kind of splotch outline here. Then I'm gonna do all the stuff on the tube. So I went to Home Depot the other day. I got a 2x12 by 16 piece of wood lumber. And then I had them cut it down to 5 feet each. So that gave me 3 boards for about $50. And that's what I did. So that gave me 3 boards for $50. Not bad. And it's a pretty huge piece of wood. So it's definitely going to give me the look that I'm going for. Looking at all of these swatches, I truly feel that for what I'm going for, and with all the different colors and tones, it's great, and I want this. This is what I want. And I said I wanted this, but a little darker. I can still see the wood difference, the wood natural aging. I can still see, yes, that's just beautiful. It's not too red. It's perfect. I'm so happy that I don't have to buy another freaking stain.
But how did you paint the whole wall this time? Mommy, when you're done finish in that pink ink, can you put the bubbles outside so me and Sa can play the bubbles outside?
Okay, baby.
Yay!
This looks freaking sick. I cannot lie. I cannot lie. It looks freaking amazing. Now I get to freaking clear up this mess and do my favorite part, which is style.